Hey Dreamers, this is Rob with AV Dreamer, and today we're going to do a quick speaker swap out in the ceiling of our kitchen. And we're going to put in that puppy right there, so stay tuned, watch the video, and if you're new to this channel, give me a big thumbs up if you like the video, and please subscribe to some more exciting videos. These are the Maxwell or KLH Maxwell M-8602-C in-ceiling loudspeakers. They are a sealed design with an embedded tweeter in the middle. So we're going to replace this old tired MTX speaker, which does not have magnetic. It has this old type of grill that you got to pull out like so. Pretty easy to pull out if you have the proper tool. That's the proper tool right there. Pretty decent little speaker, 6.5 inch MTX, a contractor series. Okay. Alright. Bowl is ready to go. Okay, the speakers come with these little clips here. Makes it a little easier to install because there's a spot in the top of the speaker that just plugs into. Alright. I always start all my videos that way. Alright. Now there's a little bit of a I guess that's in. And they have this little kind of a make sure I don't hazards of insulation always. Alright. So now we're going to get it right back up in there. Ooh. This hole is a little bit too big, but I figure the dog legs stick out quite a ways. So remember when you're doing this. Okay, still filming. Back it out a little bit to release those dog legs. Okay, that one's good. And you can kind of feel them release. And again, don't over tighten them because they are just plastic. So just get them snug. That's all you need. And there you go, I got a little bit of paint. Okay, so the speaker grill kind of hide that. And there you go. And as you can see, there's magnets all the way around this. And so this puppy should pop on just like that. And that is installed.
When we recover, will we remember each other? It's a limbo, state of mind, low, high, a fine line, willing to take a backseat.
that concludes the install of the KLH Maxwell In-ceiling speakers. So again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for some more cool videos coming down the line. Until next time, keep dreaming.